Hello, so today I'm just going to explain the functions of the MQL5 auto trading robot. Okay, I'm just going to explain these functions. Let me begin by creating a new, don't say project, just say new, and then advisor. Just follow these steps. You can just name it structure. Actually, this is a remake of the video, but yeah, with a different explanation. Okay, so it's finished. So what happened here? I want to show you something. So this part, this is a comment, especially if you can see these two lines. You see these two lines, these are the comments. When you compile here, this whatever that is written here is not considered as the part of the robot. Okay, so this is the properties. The properties is the names, the copyright. You can see the copyright, the link, and the vision. How does this helps you when you create the robot? This helps you to differentiate your robot from other people's robot. You can see my robot is named structure with the wrong spelling. Let me open it. When you press here, remember you open the charts. You can see my charts are here. So what happens here is, if I can open the window to show the navigator, my robot, remember my robot was called the structure with the wrong spelling. Yes, my robot. Read here. You can see it's written copyright. As soon as I put my mouse here, it's written copyright 2022 meter codes Ltd. But if I can come here and change this copyright to copyright 2020 FXP, okay, compile, and then if I come back here again, let's move our mouse again. You can see it changed copyright. This just differentiate your robot from the rest. Okay, so even the link, you can just put your website. Okay, and then we have a website now. I have a website now. It's called fxpl.com. You can visit it even now and buy your things there. We have a robot there. We have strategies, simple strategies. We have also free strategy. We have the apps. We have almost everything there on the website. I will visit the website later. I'll show you. But you can just type this and then visit the website. Okay, the vision you can just decide, but this is not part of the functions of your robot. The functions of your robot begins here. As you can see, it's written on initiation. This stands for initiation. It means as soon as you drop your robot on the charts, whatever that is here will be executed, and then after that it's finished. It's just once off. Okay, so let's do it and see. Alert. This alert will give us some notification, and then let's say hello. We can just say hello, yes, and then compile. Remember, when you want to change your robot to update or to make it whatever, you must compile. Always after writing everything, you must compile to make sure that everything is right, and then you read here. Let's say, for example, I made this mistake. I removed my semicolon, and then you can see I have an error, which means it's incorrect, until I place this thing back and then I compile again. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, now it's fine. So if I want to open the chart, I can just press here, just follow my mouse. Okay, and where is my robot? My robot is written structure. So if I take this robot and drop it on the chart, okay, and then say okay, you see it will say hello once. It said this once. Why it said it once? Because I placed this function on the init. But if I can cut and put this here on tick, okay, on tick, it reads every tick. And then let me activate my Wi-Fi. Yeah, yes, can't connect to this network. Oh, I wonder what's wrong. But everything is right. Okay, Okay, let's forget about the network. I'll sort that one out later. But what is important here is that everything that you put here will be executed every time the market makes a move. What do I mean when I say when market makes a move? When the market changes the price, whether from every tick, every time when your market changes the price, this will be executed. Okay, I'm trying to connect the internet now. Instead of connecting it through the Wi-Fi, I'll just put in the cable and see how everything goes. Okay, yeah, because I really want to show you this on tick function. Yeah, it's connected now. Okay, now we're fine. So let me compile and then let's go to the charts. I want to show you. You remember when I dropped this, it only showed once. So now if I can do it again, drop it now, it's updated. Remember, it's updated. That's coming out. Okay. My MT5 is still loading. Yeah, but what happens, guys, is that if you put anything that you put on this function, it will be executed every time. Remember, the market moves almost every second. The prices changes almost every second. So that will be executed every second. Okay, just imagine how annoying that alert will be if it's executed every second. Okay, let me close this and then let's try to open it again. Yes, now my internet is online. Let me drop this again. Drop it on the chart and then allow everything, notification and signal setting, modification, and then say okay. The market is still not moving. Okay, guys, what I'll do, I'll make a video. Let me sort this thing out, but it will be a continuous of this video because we already, let's say you don't have data, like myself now. Let's say you're facing this problem, you can just put your examples on. Like for now, I have a problem of data, as you can see, of internet connection. You can just put everything on in it because this will be executed every time when the market. Okay, you can see now it seems like it's back. Okay, let me place this. Let's see, the market is still not moving. I wonder what happened. Every time when I drop this, it will say hello because it's on initiation. It's in it. You can just call it whatever you want, but I call it initiation. But if I can put this alert here, because now I'm not connected to the internet, nothing will show up because there's no, as you can see, the market, there's no tick. Market is not moving now. So even if I drop it, nothing will happen. This will help you to solve the errors and all those things. Okay, so you can see nothing is happening now because my internet is not online. And then MQL5 can't help me. In fact, my internet is online, but there's no tick because the market closed. In fact, can you just imagine? I even forgot that the market closed. Okay, so if the market closed, what we can do is let's come on strategy tester and say, let me have that a structure. You can see, let me test it. Market is closed, guys, and I'm busy trying to get the ticks. Like I'm busy trying to get the ticks while the market is closed, we get used to these things to the extent that we can't even think properly. We always think the market is open. Okay, so yeah, but I hope you understand that now it's on week. I'm on weekend, so market I won't have tick. So me putting this halo here is a waste of time. In fact, I should just put it here. Okay, unless if I will use this strategy tester. So this tester is busy working, but I never made that what do you call? Yes. Okay, yeah, let's do the view. Yeah, let's go back and say view and then say press. Let's see what happens. When the market is closed, we can just go to the previous charts and do these things. Okay, so but actually it won't do what I want it to do, but yeah, it's fine. I hope you understand that on init, it every time when the robot is activated, whatever that you put, whatever code that you put here will be activated, and on this one is on the initiation. Everything that you put here will be executed when the robot exits the chart. Maybe you can just say goodbye, it's fine. But here, this is the main function, truly speaking, because every time when the market moves, whatever that we have here will be executed. So a lot of programming is made here. You can avoid all this. In fact, you can also delete this if you want. There's no use, but you can't work with the robot without this function, so you must respect this function. Most likely when you have problems, they will be in this function. Okay, so yes guys, give me a subscribe, give me a like, and guys, thank you so much. I've seen that you guys are subscribing and supporting me. Thank you guys. I'll make another video about the structure, which will be part 2. Bye bye.